Ladies and gentlemen, things are intensifying as we approach the March 29th Aries partial solar eclipse. There has been a 7.7 earthquake in Burma, which deeply affected Thailand. A 7.7 earthquake is strong, and it was shallow at 10 kilometers and has caused a lot of damage and casualties. Here we see a skyscraper falling to the ground that was under construction. At least 3 people have passed away. And here we can see people getting splashed down from water of a rooftop pool. South Texas got hit with 20 inches of rain. And we have a lot of severe weather approaching the United States this weekend. This is Saturday. This is Sunday. They've now upgraded the larger area in the middle. And then this is Monday. And then this is Wednesday. So we always watch out for a major storm at least 5 days before, during, or 5 days after an eclipse, and especially solar eclipse. And so buckle up, stay cool, play defense, because this eclipse ain't playing around. I do not believe. Expect more wild surprises through the weekend. Absolutely, for sure, without a doubt. We had multiple flash flood emergencies last night in deep South Texas over Harlingen, which caused a lot of major problems. And you've still got multiple areas in Texas under a flash flood watch as rain will persist in some areas. And that also includes you, Florida. We just passed, and by we I mean Earth, a large coronal hole in the sun. We had a giant filament tear off. The Galveston NOAA weather radio gave up the ghost last night. You still got major wildfires in South and North Carolina. And overall, things are generally just extremely weird, in my opinion. All right, stay cool. God bless everyone. Play defense, make smart decisions, and try not to have any major emotional outbursts. I will be back. God bless everyone.